Bring it back.
Good morning and welcome to WPNN. My name is Camilla.
And my name is Chloe. It's a terrific day to be a Panther.
Panthers, there is also a college fair at Vieira High School today from 6 to 8 p.m. and no registration required.
Students, another great opportunity coming up is Aerospace/Tech Fair at Kennedy Space Center on the student holiday Friday, March 15th, from 9:30 to 4:30 p.m. Opens to anyone in 9th and 12th grade.
Transportation is available through VPS from certain regional sites. See flyer for sign-up link.
Panthers, tonight will be Junior Class Spirit Night at Twisty Cone Ice Cream from 4:30 to 8:30 p.m.
Heritage, in sporting news, our boys tennis team will play at West Shore at 4 p.m.
Girls tennis plays West Shore here at 4 p.m. and boys tennis will play at West Shore. Varsity is at 4 p.m.
Our boys baseball preseason classic at Cocoa Beach and the game is at 6:45.
Good luck, Panthers.
Anyone that buys ice cream during that time will be supporting our junior class, so please make sure to mention to the cashier that you are there for the Heritage Spirit Night. The profits will be donated to the 2025 senior class.
Students and staff, Heritage High School will be sponsoring another blood drive on February 21st. You must be 17 years or older and must be registered to donate.
All donors will receive one of the following offers per donation: refreshments, long-sleeve t-shirts, and a wellness checkup, which includes checking your blood pressure, pulse, temperature, iron count, and cholesterol screening.
You can register to donate blood in room 6114 before school or during lunch if you have a pass from your fourth period teacher. Bring your ID to sign up and receive permission forms.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue! Yeah, that was good.